Alright guys, so I'm going to be applying this full lace wig, and this is a full lace wig from WoWEbony hair. I forgot to mention that this wig came pre-plucked and it came with the knots already bleached. Yes y'all, these knots were already bleached. They look perfect. Like, they bleach knots better than I do, so that's a plus. I'm going ahead now and I'm going ahead and parting my part. I'm basically just defining it and getting it going. I'm going to go ahead and begin applying my Ghost Bond glue. I'm only going to be doing one thin layer just because I'm taking a break from having too much glue on me. So I'm just doing one slight thin layer of this glue. I'll go ahead and begin applying it. So now, as you guys can see, I'm not sure if this is an HD lace or a transparent lace, but this is a high quality lace. Because as you guys can see, as I'm tapping it, it is just melting perfectly into my scalp. So yes, y'all, check out WoWEbony for some bomb hair. Now I'm going ahead and beginning my baby hairs. I'm going to be doing the front swoop first, and then I'm just going to continue along the sides. For glue today, I am going to be using the Gorilla Snot gel for my baby hairs, and I am going to be cutting my baby hairs as I go with a razor. I'm not using scissors today. And yes, and also this baby hair toothbrush, I get a lot of questions about it. This toothbrush was only $1.99. You can find them at your local your local Elegant Beauty Supply store and Classy Girls. Basically your hood black beauty supply store. You won't really find these at Sally's. Went ahead and wet my hair. Now I'm going to be applying this Garnier curl gel. This is the final look for the hair. I did flatten it out as much as I can, but the hair is super full and puffy, so I could only get it to be so flat. But anyways, this is a full lace wig. If I'm not mistaken, this is Kinky Curly, and this hair is from WoWEbony hair. I've worked with WoWEbony's hair maybe about a year ago. They do have some good quality hair. I'm not too sure if this lace is HD or not, but it did melt into my skin pretty good. So I'm going to take a wild guess and say that it is. I have all the information listed down below on this hair.